YouTube. What's up with y'all boys, man? So we about to go back outside right now. This is day 2 from the vlog yesterday. Let's listen to the burbles, chat. It is currently 7:30, bro. I got up mad early, so I just decided to go on a... Oh my God. So it's currently 7:30 right now. I got up at like 5, 6 o'clock and I had nothing else to do. I just remembered that I didn't finish this vlog from yesterday, so I just got up. Now I'm gonna just finish this vlog with a little POV drive, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God. I'm about to just pull up to this Amazon warehouse, you know what I'm saying? And that sunlight is bright as hell. Yo, it is hot as shit. Let me turn this shit off. Yo. Yo, it is... I ain't gonna lie, I feel nice out here, chat. Downshift. Oh my God. Hey man, if y'all boys new to the channel, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. We on the way to 3K subs right now. Bro, y'all don't know how much I love driving this car, bro. Let me change these lights, man. Oh, we gonna keep it on purple for today. Fuck it. That shit was insanely nuts. Oh my God. And we got an overpass coming up too, chat. Oh my God. Oh my God, chat. Pulling up to this Amazon warehouse, man. Oh my God. I gotta get an alignment, chat. I could feel it for sure. Hey, that first to second, man, that shit is fucking nuts. I'm not gonna hold you. That first to second is insane, bro. We're gonna pull up over here real quick. I'm gonna hop out and show y'all boys the car. You know what I'm saying? Right now, man, I'm about to start the car up. Give y'all boys some revs. You know what I'm saying? So y'all boys can hear the car and shit. I'm about to get a starter from behind the car. And then I'm gonna put it in front of the car so y'all can hear the intake noises. Then I'm gonna put the camera back there so y'all can hear the exhaust sounds and shit. want to see the wheel squat. MPAC is coming up, man. I think it's in August. I already bought my tickets and shit. But in August, this car is gonna look way different from it does today. Y'all could hear those fans. I wasn't even driving crazy, but I don't know why the fans be sounding like that. But MPAC is just a big ass meet that everybody goes to every year, bro. Last year I went there. It was my first time going there. But when I went there last year, I was recording for one stock. So I didn't even get to record anything crazy for myself. Well, which I didn't have a problem with. I got to be in the M Powerhouse booth, you feel me? Real behind the scenes of one stock and shit. I ain't gonna lie, I miss those days, bro, feel me? One stock would just call me and be like, yo, we about to go here and record some videos, or yo, I got a vlog for you to edit, bro. Like, I don't know, bro, them days, I just miss them days, man. Miss that boy One Stock, man. Long live that boy One Stock. That boy is truly a pioneer in the game, nigga. Stop fucking playing. Chat, I really want to say I appreciate all the love y'all boys been showing me for the past, I don't know what. I've been doing YouTube for like almost a year now. I could honestly say, man, it was worth it. You know what I'm saying? It was worth getting this car. Damn, it's beautiful out here right now. I can hear all the birds and shit. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I really want to start dropping way more content than I usually drop. I really just don't want to keep posting the same POVs over and over. I want to be more versatile in my vlogs where I just add a little bit of POVs, and then I don't even know how to explain it. I just don't want to keep dropping POVs on POVs on POVs. If y'all want to see more videos consistently, man, let me know down in the comments below, because I'm trying, bro. I'm trying. Around here, man, it's boring as shit. Like, I could be honest, it's very boring around here when it comes on the car shit. Like, people don't want to pop out. Most people don't want to work with you if you don't got an M car, or if you don't got a certain followers on Instagram. I don't know why. Shit weird. Let's do a dig, chat. Oh my God. Yo, you see why I don't do digs in here, bro? Oh my God. And I need to turn my fucking mic on. Oh my God. Yo. Chat, I gotta keep this rag right here now. Yo, chat, that shit sound fucking nuts. I gotta turn DSC off. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey man, if y'all boys enjoy the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all know Aaron the plumber man, bro. I'm about to go to church at like 11 o'clock. It's currently 9 o'clock right now. Oh my. I gotta connect my CarPlay because I'm about to listen to music right after this. Oh my God. God damn. That shit sound crazy, don't it? Yo, one thing about this car, chat. When your foot barely on the throttle, it's gonna feel like you're going mad fast, bro. Oh my God. I wanna hear this downshift right here then. Damn. God damn. God. Y'all hear that shit? But yeah, man. God damn. But yeah, man. If y'all boys new to the channel, man, drop that like, comment, subscribe. Fuck is this nigga doing, bro? But yeah, man, if y'all boys enjoy the vlog, man, drop that like, comment, subscribe. Feel me? Like I said, we're on the way to 3K subs. And I'm finna catch y'all boys in the next one, man.